for watching, and please subscribe to my channel and like these videos and let me know what you guys want to see next. But I want to quickly talk about the Morphe 35O palette. That's what I used for this tutorial. I bought this because they had a sale on them at Ulta. They were $15. I think original price is like $25 or something like that. I don't know, but I thought that was a pretty good deal. I don't know. This palette probably old as I don't know what, but I really don't know. But this is my first Morphe palette, and this is what it looks like. Pretty much neutral colors, which is what I like. I try to do more colorful looks, but sometimes they don't come out right. So this is for like my area, especially since it has like a bunch of shimmers and a lot of, I got it mostly for like these colors right here, which is what I gravitate towards even when I do tutorials, because I think they look best on like brown skin and me personally. But the palette, for like a review, it works good. I do think that I have to build it up a lot because my skin is darker. If you are, you know, light skinned or Caucasian or lighter complexion of whatever culture, ethnicity, whatever, this will work a lot better for you. But since I am darker, deeper skin, I have to keep on building it up and piling it on, and it is a little powdery, or like, I guess powdery is the right word, where it's like I have to like dust it off and all that type of stuff. But for $15, I don't care, because this is a pretty good palette for $15. It's got all the colors I need, so why not? But if you guys like these tutorials, please give me a thumbs up and let me know what you guys want to see next, or if there's anything out there you want me to review or go buy or whatever, just let me know. But click the like button and subscribe to see more. Thank you.